Welcome back to Broadcast Performance, guys. What are we up to today, Matt?
Alright, so today we're going to show you how to change out your front rotors on a 2007 BMW 335i E90. This should be good for, I would imagine, any of the E90 series, E92s, anything like that. Same concept, whether you have bigger or smaller brakes. But pretty simple, straightforward, and we're going to show you guys how you can get it done.
Show. There's the new rotor. It's looking pretty dope.
You start by taking your wheels off, obviously. In our case, they're 5/17mm wheel studs. Or bolts, or whatever you want to call them.
Okay, you got the wheel off. What is next?
Okay, so there's two bolts, one up top, back behind the caliper, which you're not really going to be able to see. There's one at the top, one at the bottom. Both are 18mm. Just going to try and get in there with something smaller, get them off, and that should pull the caliper off.
This guy right there. Let's get the wheel out. We're using a big screwdriver to pry the caliper off of the rotor.
And on some of yours, you'll have the set screw that's put into your rotors. Apparently they corrode a lot and they get stuck, so people drill them out. These ones are already pre-drilled. Find somewhere, somehow, to hold up the caliper. Rotor off. And then we got to push the pad in. C-clamp.
C-clamp right here.
Take your C-clamp. We're going to hook up to the actual bracket and on the caliper here. We're going to push this piston in as far as we can. Make sure your pad's pushed in so that you got room for your actual rotor to fit. Alright, let's see what we got.
Ooh, got it. Fitting in there? Not quite, huh?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
So, now comes the fun part. Okay, so if you don't have that, take a lug or a wheel stud, and you're going to put them in just to kind of hold it there. Just going to put one or two in. Okay, now it's time to put the caliper back on.
Once you get both bolts started, you can go ahead and torque them down to German spec.
Guten tight.
Okay, since we don't have the fancy set screw to hold the rotor in place, what are we gonna do, Matt?
This is where it helps to have a buddy. So I'm gonna hold the rotor lined up where it needs to be, because otherwise it turns independently from the hub, and then to put the wheel on is gonna be a pain. So I'm gonna hold it where it needs to be, where all the holes are lined up. Marshall's gonna press on the brake, and then we're gonna put the wheel on, and should be good to go to wrap this up. All right. Should be good.
Okay, he's got it where he wants it. I'm gonna push the brake twice, once to get it close, and once to lock it in.
Perfect.
And that's holding the rotor in place while he can put the wheel on. Okay.
So that's all you need, guys, to change the rotors on your BMW E90. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and you know, guess that's about it. Peace out.